Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can adding the background to your video using CapCut apps. So I already have the video that will be added, and for example, to add a background, I'm going to remove the background before. So just click on the clip and then select a cutout. So for this kind of the video, you are just going to select remove background, just click on it, and background has been removed. Just click check mark and add then the new background, and I'm going to add the canvas. So where is canvas? All right, so sorry, the canvas. Click on it and you can select color, background, or just blur. For example, I'm going to select background, and you can select image to make it as a background. And for example, select this one. Just click check mark. So is you right. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.